Replace the battery in the key fob of an electric car BMW i3. Take a key fob and use CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Press button and remove the integrated key. The integrated key fits the driver's door lock. Raise the cover of the battery compartment. Remove the cover of the battery compartment. Insert a battery of the same type CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Press the cover closed. Insert the integrated key into the remote control. Checking the remote control of the car BMW i3.